So good day everyone. So this is my fourth time answering this flip cards. So now let's also answer it again. So let's start it. So for question number 1, so it is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. So this is agile model. So it's correct. So let's move on to question number 2. So what are the typical phases of waterfall model? So for this question, the answer of this is requirement analysis, system design, implementation, integration and testing, deployment, and maintenance. So that's it for. So the next question, for question number 3, is what are the two approaches of software development? So the answer for this is agile and waterfall model. So that's correct. So let's move on to question number 4. So question number 4 is what are the strengths of the agile model? So the answer for this is flexibility, faster delivery, customer collaboration, early bad detection, and better risk management. So that's it. So for the 5th question, so if the waterfall model has sequential and structured approach, how about the agile model? So agile model have iterative and flexible approach. So let's move on to question number 6. What are the strengths of the waterfall model? So the answer for this is clear structure, predictability, good for large scale projects, and easier to manage. Okay, that's it. So next is the question number 7. What are the key agile methodologies? So the answer for this is Scrum, Kanban, and extreme programming. Okay. So for question number 8, so it is a linear and sequential software development approach where each phases must be completed before the next phase begin. So this is for waterfall model. That's correct. So for question number 9, what are the weaknesses of the agile model? So for this one, it seems because so let's skip this. So for the last question, for the question number 10, what are the weaknesses of waterfall model? So the answer for this is inflexibility, slow adaptation to changes, late testing, and not ideal for uncertain requirements. So okay, that's it. So that's the last question, and thank you.